Good morning, children. Today, in our math class, we are going to see the last topic of this unit, that is symmetry. You have ever heard the name symmetry, I think. So, symmetry is nothing but if you have taken a shape, it should show both the sides exactly the same. So from the middle, if you are seeing both the sides for both left hand side and right hand side should be the same. That is symmetry. Okay, so when you divide the object, any object or a shape, so both the sides should have exactly the same. That is symmetry. Okay, symmetries in shapes and patterns. Do yourself. Take a piece of paper, spill few drops of ink on the paper. Now fold the paper and press it. You will get a symmetric figure. Both the sides will be the same. Okay, so the definition of symmetry means that one shape becomes exactly like another when you move it in the some way. Turn, flip or slide. Okay, so here let us do, they have given an example. So here I am going to show you a paper. So I am an empty paper I have taken and I am going to fold this paper. So I am just folding it into equal. I am folding it equally and then one side I am going to draw the shape of heart. So this is the shape of the heart. One side of the heart I have drawn and I am going to cut this heart. Okay. See here, children, I have cut this part. So if you open it, so you'll get both the sides. See here, this is the middle part and both the sides are equal in shape. So this is called symmetry. So in the middle, if you are splitting that object or any shape in the middle, if you are dividing into two, so both the sides should be the same. Okay, exactly the same. Okay, so there should not be any little difference. So that is symmetry. And an example they have given for your alphabetical letters. So A, B, C, D till Y they have, few letters they have given. A, B, C, D, E, H, I, K, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. So these are the letters which has symmetrical lines. Okay, so you can divide the symmetries in these letters. Few letters you didn't get, yes or no? So what are those? F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z. All these things are non-symmetrical alphabet. Okay, so this one you can divide. So you can divide and both the sides will show you the same thing. Okay, so but you can't divide the objects or letters or shapes which you can't divide and it will not give equals. It will not be exactly the same both the sides. It is non-symmetrical letters or shapes or objects. Okay, and the next one is line of symmetry. Note that one half of the shape is exactly like the other half, the line which divides. So here the objects, anything, if you are dividing into two, it is symmetry. A line which is dividing any figure into two exact halves is called line of symmetry. Clear? So symmetry and both the line of symmetry is the same. Here you are using the line to divide the objects or figures or shapes, anything. So the following letters are non-symmetric and does not have line of symmetry. These are alphabetical letters which do not have symmetrical line. We can't split that into two exactly equally. F, G, J, L, N, P, Q, R, S, Z. Okay. So try this. Make the paper cutouts of the shapes shown below with the help of your elders and keep them in front of your mirror and observe the image formed in the mirror. You could see the other half of the image. Okay. So that is mirror line symmetry. Clear? So symmetrical shapes definition: if a shape can be folded or divided into halves so that the two halves match exactly, then such a shape is called symmetric shapes. Clear, children? So what are the things we have seen? So what is symmetry? What is line of symmetry? If you draw the line in the middle and divide the figure into exactly two halves, that is line of symmetry. And one half, so I have shown like this, no? This heart shape, if you are showing this near to the mirror, okay, so it will give you the other half. That is mirror line symmetry. Clear, children? So we have seen about symmetry, line of symmetry and mirror image. Okay, and few activities were given here. And example, line of symmetry, folding line, mirror line. So the one half is there and the other half you have to show near the mirror. Okay, that is mirror line. So complete the symmetrical image. Just one half of the picture is given. You do the other half, children. So you just do it as homework. Clear? And activity number 6. Draw the lines of symmetry for the following figures. I'll tell you how to draw the lines of symmetry. See here. So this is not a square. Actually, it is a rectangle. So a rectangle will have will be divided into two. One is in with the horizontal manner. Sorry, you have to divide it into two equal parts. Both the sides should be same. So draw the line correctly, children. So two lines you have to draw. Then oval. Then flower. So it will be divided. See, both the sides should be same. So if I cut here in the middle, so both the sides will be the same. And if I cut here in horizontal manner, both the sides should be same. Okay. So just lines of symmetry. Draw the lines of symmetry as much as you can. Okay. For this flower, only one you can draw because so only once you can fold this. Other side, if you are folding, it will be going wrong. It will be not showing the symmetrical lines. And for E, it is one line of symmetry. You only horizontal line you can draw. And for this part, you can draw with vertical line. So you can divide that into two. And the figure which is given at last will be divided into one vertical line. Okay, clear? And you just do for the pictures which is given down. Okay, for the gift, some flower like a pattern is given, ball, and here also flower and bell. And the next one is circle the non-symmetrical shapes. So this one, you can split into two and it will give the same shape on both the sides. Yes or no? So it is a symmetrical shape. See, you just divide this one. So if you draw the line here, it will be showing the same. Okay, it is a symmetrical. And if you divide this one, see here, a curve is this side and the other curve is not given this side. So if the other curve is given, it is a symmetrical shape. So both the sides should be the same, no? So you just circle this. This is not a symmetrical line. And just divide this one. So use scale, children, so that you can find whether it is a symmetrical line or not. Okay, so if you draw the line in the middle, it will show the same. And if you split this also, it will be showing the same. So it is a symmetrical line. And van. So if you divide this, so this mirror is not here, and the front side, it is not given at the back. Okay, so this is not a symmetrical shape. So circle it. Clear, children? Okay. So this is the difference between symmetrical line and the non-symmetrical shapes. Okay. So activity number 7. Draw the other half from the line of symmetry to make it symmetrical. Okay. So you just draw the other side. Draw the other side, children, for all the diagrams. So like this, we just complete all these things, divide, draw the other half of the picture, and post it in the group as homework. Okay, children. So in the next class, we'll see the next unit. Okay, children. So this is all about third unit, patterns. We have seen about the patterns, growing pattern, repeated pattern, symmetry, all those things. So this is the end of this unit, and we'll see the next unit in next class. Okay, thank you.